In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend stay on booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can add extra nights to an existing reservation with confidence. I'll walk you through the website on a computer, but the flow is very similar on mobile, so these tips still apply. First, open booking.com and head to the top right of the page. Click the profile icon to open your account menu. If you're not signed in, take a moment to log in so your trips appear correctly. Being signed in ensures you see your confirmed reservations and the options available for each one. Next, from that menu, click on Bookings and Trips. This takes you to your My Trips page, where you'll see your upcoming and past stays. It's a good idea to double-check the hotel name and current dates so you're sure you're modifying the correct reservation, especially if you have multiple trips planned. Now, click the booking you want to extend. This opens the reservation details page. Here you can review important information like room type, current check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and the rate conditions. Keep in mind that any change you make is always subject to availability and may update the total price for your entire stay. On the booking details page, look for the three dots, often shown as a small More or Options menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions for your reservation. If you're on a smaller screen, this menu might be tucked into the corner, so take a second to scan the page if you don't see it right away. From the options that appear, click on Change Dates. Not every rate or property supports date changes online, so if you don't see this option, it usually means the change isn't available through self-service for that reservation. You'll now be taken to the Date Change screen. Select the new dates you want to stay, typically by extending your checkout to add the extra nights. As you choose dates, remember that prices can vary by night, and some places may have minimum stay rules or special conditions on weekends and holidays. When your new dates are set, click Check Availability. Booking.com will search for your room type on those dates and show you the updated total, any price difference, and any policy changes. If everything looks good and availability is shown, you'll be able to proceed from there to finalize the extension. That's it. Quick, clear, and flexible. Review your new total carefully. Watch for policy notes like free cancellation windows, and you'll extend your stay in just a few clicks.